At Miele Professional, we sell our products through a network of approved partners throughout England, Scotland and Wales. We have done this for the past 17 years.
I'm Jonathan Sparks and I'm the Managing Director of Goodman Sparks. We've been working with Miele for the majority of the 45 to 50 years that we've been trading. We believe that it is the best equipment on the market. We now employ just over 50 people, which includes 10 service engineers that cover the Sheffield and Manchester areas.
Out of the sectors we cover, the majority of the customers we have are in the care industry. So the right laundry equipment is key to that sector because we need to make sure we're covering all guidelines for thermal disinfection and sluice facilities. If that operation fails in any way, shape or form in a care home, it's a massive impact on their business. I suppose uniquely for Goodman Sparks is that family attitude. We always try and put it across in everything we do. We're happy to work with our customers and work around their needs rather than a sold package that is ready built.
Having a relatively large team of engineers locally means we can respond same day or next day. That includes 7 days, so we've always engineers on call over the weekends and bank holidays, 365 days a year.
More recently, Goodman Sparks have installed 2 new Miele washing machines for us. It's been really good. Everything from the original site survey to checking we've got all the right electricity currents, the dosing minders, everything to make it a really trouble-free installation, and it happened very, very quickly. Their personnel are nice, they're understanding, we're always treated fairly, and honestly, if we have to have additional work done.
We are recognised as a Miele supplier of high quality equipment, and the backup to go along with it is the Miele service.
It gives us the worldwide brand that is Miele, the fantastic machines that are produced by Miele. That is combined with a local family business with local engineers, and that to me, that's the perfect combination of the best machines in the world with the best local service.
Each partner receives comprehensive training in Miele Abingdon and is therefore authorised by us to sell, install and commission all Miele Professional products. For peace of mind, when you are buying a Miele Professional product, please ensure that you buy it from a Miele approved partner, because only they can offer you excellent sales advice and first-class after-sales care for Miele Professional.